We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Lexmark CX410 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace the imaging unit. It's not a very complicated process, but there are a few steps to it, so we're going to go ahead and walk you through the process. First thing you want to go ahead and do is open up this top cover. So on the right side of the printer you'll see this little latch. You're just going to pinch that latch and then lift up until it goes into its locked position. And then now we're going to want to lower our front cover. So there's a little finger notch on either side. You can just grab those little finger notches and lower that front cover. So now that we have that done, we need to lower this right side cover. So there's a green tab on either side of your toners here. You're just going to push on both those green tabs and you can lower and remove that side cover. So now what we want to do is go ahead and remove your waist toner. In order to do that, again, you have another set of green tabs. You have one at the bottom right corner and one at the top left corner. You're going to push both of those in and your waist toner should slide right out. And go ahead and leave that off to the side here. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and remove all four of your toners. So to remove the toner, you're just going to lift up on the little green lever and remove it. Okay, we'll set these off to the side. Okay, so now we've removed all four of our toners. It's time to remove the imaging kit itself. So you'll see these two blue tabs. You're going to lift up on these blue tabs until they're sticking straight out. And you can go and grab them and you can slide the whole imaging kit straight out. Now you'll see on the sides here, there's a little green lever on either side, or a green handle rather. On either side you're going to go ahead and grab each one of those green handles and that's going to give you something to hold on to. And then you'll notice it gets kind of caught up about half of the way through. You're just going to push down on this little blue lever here and that'll unlock it so you can remove it the rest of the way from the printer. So you've now successfully removed the imaging kit. So once you have the new one unpacked and ready to go inside the printer, you have all the packaging material removed from the imaging kit, it's time to reinstall it and we're going to do the exact opposite. So again, make sure you pick it up by those little green handles. You're going to slide it back into the machine. Kind of weird angle here. There we go. Make sure you push it all the way into place and you're going to lower these blue locking levers until it's nice and locked firmly down into place. Now we can replace all of our toner cartridges. So I'm just going to slide them straight down into this position. Making sure you put all the colors in the right order. And again, there's markings up above to make sure that you're putting all of them in the right order. So now we have all of our toners reinstalled. Now it's time to replace the waist toner. Put the waist toner back on. So we're going to take it, kind of seat the bottom of it, and line it all up. And then you're just going to push it straight in until it locks into position. So now that that's reinstalled, we can put our side cover back on. There's a couple of little hinges down at the bottom that are going to hook onto the bottom. So you're just going to line those up, rotate it up, and lock that down into place. And now we can close our front cover here. And now our top cover. And just like that, you successfully replaced your imaging kit. So again, not very complicated, but there are a few steps involved. I hope this helps. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.